Pakistan's truck drivers adore their painted lorries.
This is my bed where I can rest en route.
For the drivers, it's a matter of pride.
They might not wash their faces, but they'll spend cash on their trucks.
They've become a means of cultural expression for Pakistanis.
This reflects the nation's mood.
The vibrant colours of Pakistani truck art are spreading around the world. Pakistani roads are loud and busy, and traffic jams are a common sight. But now and then you'll spot an eye-catching view, art on wheels or truck art.
We drivers have made this truck with lots of love. You could say that it's our home. What design should be put on the back of the truck? A sword or an animal?
Imran agreed to show us how they transform a simple lorry into a beautiful piece of art on wheels.
First, we create a vehicle's frame. Then the fitting starts. When it arrives in this workshop, we paint the hood and then hand it over to the artists for decoration. We do all the work here.
Truck art is an established part of Pakistan's transport traditions. You can see colourful symbols, floral designs, scenery and animals on Pakistani trucks. Some even feature funny poems.
Different vehicles have distinctive designs. For example, I'm painting a lion now. There are various elements, depending on what the truck owners want. They tell us in advance. Along with company logos, drivers and their bosses submit their design requests.
Each truck is highly personal, expressing the individual likes and tastes of those who spend thousands of hours behind the wheel. For Rashid, his vehicle is much more than a mode of transportation.
This is my truck. We load it in Balochistan and drive it to Karachi, which can take 3 to 4 days. If we get tired, this is my bed where I can rest en route. We decorate our truck with heart and passion. When my vehicle looks good, I feel good. If it's not nice, then I do not like it. Our journey usually takes 3 days because we drive with a heavy load.
And when you're tired?
When we're tired, we take a break and sleep. We have a bed and everything else. It's like our house. We only spend a little bit of time at home compared to what we spend in the vehicle.
You like it?
I love my truck a lot. It's our entire world. It's our home.
Yusuf Goth is one of the country's busiest truck yards on the outskirts of Karachi. Hundreds of heavy vehicles come here from across the country. From denting and painting to the fine art of colourful decoration, everything is possible here. Transport trucks are essential to help run the country's businesses. In Imran's workshop, dozens of trucks are painted each month. This has become a regular source of income for garage owners, mechanics and artists.
We receive over 20 trucks per month. This is 1 week's work. Now we have 5 trucks at the workshop. This one will be done in 10 days, and then we'll send it for wiring. So every team works one after another. That is how we work. We earn good money. Painting costs 200,000 rupees. That's 670 euros. Stickers cost 100,000 rupees. And then we have extra lighting and decoration costs so that the bill can exceed 300,000 rupees, around 1,000 euros.
Truck art is a mashup of visual motifs from Pakistani culture, language, politics and history. This deeply rooted tradition was initially a way for truck drivers to attract attention, but now it has become a means of cultural expression. These floral designs are now not only painted on trucks and buses, but on cars, planes, scooters, murals, and soccer balls. Truck art has even become a tool of sports and cultural diplomacy. To understand the progress of this art form, we met Ali Salman Angchen, a cultural entrepreneur and founder of the Pool Patty Truck Art Project.
This art is not only limited to Pakistan, but we also brought it to the world. We have decorated trucks and buses in several countries, including the US, Germany, and China. The aim was to promote this art internationally, to create more job opportunities. UNESCO featured us as a creative entrepreneur from Pakistan because of our contribution to the creative economy. Several souvenirs of small trucks and rickshaws are being designed for gifts. The whole community is benefiting from this art. Our project is entrepreneurial, which has created awareness and jobs. Truck art is recognized locally and internationally, but local artists are the primary beneficiaries.
After a long wait, Rashid is now ready for another journey in his beloved truck, ready to hit the road again.